Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all some of Tarte's new holiday collection. That's what I have on my reindeer antlers. And I know some of y'all are probably thinking, slow down Alicia, it's not even Halloween yet. But you can already buy this stuff in store. That's why I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. And just in case any of you are Christmas shopping, everything I'm going to show you would make great gifts. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's really hard to pick a favorite, but I am probably most excited about this first thing. And it is this little cheek set. So it comes with a set of 3. And it is only $35 for this entire set. So let me open it and show y'all. So the first one opens like this, and it's a highlighter. And then they're all magnetized. And they slide open like this. Is that not so cute? So if y'all can see the colors. So I just think that is so neat and perfect for traveling since it closes like that. You have 3 different blush colors. So that is the first one. And then the second one is a rose gold, which is my favorite. And they're all connected too, so they don't come off, so you don't have to worry about dropping any of them. I also think it would be great if you're a mom and you have daughters, you can buy it and split it up. If you have 2 daughters, then you can keep one for yourself. So here is the last one. So here's all 3. So this next set is another thing I'm really excited about because it is a set of the chrome paint shadow pots, and they are one of my favorite products. So I will show y'all the back. Those are the 4 colors, and I will take them out and swatch them for y'all. And I like that it has this little tag too. So like I said, everything would make a great gift. So this is $24 for a set of 4. So these are a smaller container, but these last you forever because a little goes a long way. So this is one of my all-time favorite shades. It's called Frosé. It's a really pretty pink and gold color. See how it's duochrome? I think it is so pretty, and it's best if you apply them with your finger, which is another reason I love them so much because it makes it so quick and easy to apply. So the next shade is called Wild at Heart. This one's another duochrome. This one is so pretty. It reminds me of a mermaid. So it's that one right here. I'm terrible at showing swatches. Okay, this next one is called Citrine. Y'all, this is the perfect fall shade. That's why I wanted to show y'all now because you have got to go get this set. Look at that color. Is that not the most perfect burnt orange fall color? Oh, love it. If I would have known that's what that looked like, I probably would have gotten into this sooner. Okay, I think this one's going to be really pretty too. It is called Pink Diamonds. I'm running out of... Ooh. Oh man, I love all of these. Y'all need to go to Ulta right away. Look at that! Oh. So here is another set that would be great for a gift. It would be great for a stocking stuffer. Once again, if you have daughters, you can break it up and divide it. $29 for this set. While I'm swatching, might as well go ahead and swatch these glosses for y'all. Maybe swatch it like this. Can y'all see that? It's like a mauve-y color, which is this one right here. You see me looking down? I have my monitor right here, so I'm trying to make sure everything's focused and in the viewfinder. This one is called Ornament. The first one was called Togetherness. Ooh, that one's a really pretty berry color. So it was that one. That one's like a pinky red kind of. So these are the Busy Gal glosses. I don't think that I said that. And they are an Ulta exclusive. They're part of the Double Duty Beauty collection. So that one is a really pretty pink. But just in case you're a person who doesn't like bold lipsticks, this gives you a chance to wear a bolder color without it being too bold, if that makes sense. So that one is a really pretty nude. That one is my favorite so far, I think. It is called Wrapped. Looks like this. This one is called Gingersnap. Looks like this one has some shimmer to it. Do you love my swatches? So that one's turning out more brown on camera, but in person, it's kind of a pinky brown. And then the last one is called Hug, and it looks like it might have some shimmer to it as well. Oh, this one is really pretty. My swatches keep getting worse and worse. That one looks horrible. Not the color of my swatch. Okay, so here are all the colors. So this next thing is really cool. It is an eyeshadow palette, and it comes with one of those glosses, and it is a different one that is in the little set. And then it also comes with a mini man-eater mascara, which is my all-time favorite Tarte mascara. So here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like on the outside. It's rose gold. Is that not so pretty? I think Tarte has pretty packaging year round, but their holiday is always the cutest. So it has 4 different palettes. Each one has 5 eyeshadows and then a cheek color. And then the really cool thing about this eyeshadow palette is these pop out. So I keep dropping everything. So if you have a favorite, you can take it out. And it also has a little drawer, and it's where it has the lip gloss, the mascara, and this little empty palette. It is a magnetic palette. So here is what the inside looks like. It has a little mirror right here. And then you just place your palette right inside. How cool is that? I think that is great, especially for traveling. If you don't want to take this whole big thing and you have one that you use the most, you could just pop it in here and take it with you. So I think that is so cool. And then when you get home, or if you want to change them out. So everything that I have shown y'all so far, you can get at Ulta. There's a couple of things you can get at Ulta and Sephora, and of course you can get all of this on Tarte's website. So now I'm going to show you a few things that you can get at Sephora or on Tarte's website. So since we're talking about palettes, I'll go ahead and show y'all this one. So here is the next little set that is really pretty. So this one is $54. It's a little bit bigger, you get more shadows, and I love the front of it. It is all sequins. Is that not so pretty? It also comes with a eyeliner and a mascara and a full-size brush. So here is the brush. I think this is a really good one. I love that side because that is perfect for packing on shadows on your lid. And then the other side is a fluffy brush. And I have a special guest with me, Brutus. I'm trying to film, mister. Oh, are you posing? Are you posing for the camera? Okay, anyways. So I always love Tarte's brush sets. I think this one is so cute. I know you can't really see it, but I'll take them out so you can see them better. I just wanted to show you what it looked like in this set. And this set is $35. So I'll keep them in this little stand. But are these not so cute? I love the rose gold. So these last two items are part of the Rainforest of the Sea collection, and I think this palette is so cute. And look at the front of it. Is that not so pretty? So here is what the inside looks like. I think these are so pretty, and they are fingerful shadows, so that means that you apply them with your fingers. I love any type of shadow that you can do that with. So these and those chrome paint pots that came in that little set, because I just think it is so quick and so easy to apply. Anybody can do it. So this last thing is a body gel. Look at this packaging. I am definitely setting this on my makeup table because I think it is so pretty. So it is also part of the Rainforest of the Sea collection. It is called Sea Glass Shimmer. So it is a shimmer body gel, and I like that it has a pump and it's not a spray or anything. So here is what it looks like. I just put some on my hand. And I like that it's not too glittery. It just gives you a really pretty glow. I think that will be so pretty around the holidays. So that is everything. I really hope that y'all enjoyed seeing some of Tarte's holiday collection, and don't worry, I'm not about to put up my Christmas tree. I always wait until after Thanksgiving, but like I said earlier, you can already buy this stuff in stores, so I wanted to go ahead and show y'all because it is all so cute and I cannot wait to start using it. I'm probably going to wait until November before I do any tutorials using these products, just because I'm about to start 13 days of Halloween, where I post 13 straight days of Halloween makeup looks. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss my Halloween looks and you don't miss when I do tutorials using the holiday collection. And if you like this video and you're excited about all the new holiday stuff, please give this video a thumbs up. And I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching. Until next time, bye y'all.